Welcome everybody. Today I would like to show you something, some DIY project. Actually I'm doing that because I would like to recognize my trade certificate as a plumber in Australia, and I have to show them my performance on the job. This is actually a water filtration system, because the water in here is so bad, like so much chlorine and sediment and something, like it's pretty easy, straightforward. So like we have this is the filtration system. It's 3 of them. Yeah. This is a pressure limiting valve, which is supposed to be on the supply, on the way of a supply. And here we have another one, which is the backflow valve. So it's easy, like this one, pressure, obviously, because sometimes the pressure is like a bigger, sometimes it's lower, and could damage the filters. It's like 1, 2, 3 of them. Okay, this one here. So elbows, going directly to it. I prefer to scratch it a little bit before I put the thread tape, which is obvious, to prevent to get the tape off from the thread. So like, yeah. Next step I will show you later anyway, how to do it, because I'm gonna install that outside anyway. And yeah, and we will see. Like the thread tape is already over here. There's another one, it's coming here. So it's gonna be easy. Continuing the installing the filtration system. So as you can see, I have to chop at the pipe. It's gonna be like that one. Like this. A few more fittings and pipes and we should be alright. Prepping the pipes now, so as you can see here, and this one here, obviously have to prep. So I'm come back. I completed the job over there. So I'll show them. Yeah, this is the old house, not that closed, old house water filtration system. So that cost me, the parts cost me about, I could say, $300. I wouldn't like to be a competition for the local plumbing. If someone like it, where is, leave it comments or past that. For some people like it, to have like a water with less chlorine and stuff and sediments and stuff. It's all right. And yeah, let me know in the comments how would you like it. Show them again how that looks. And also it's gonna be covered with a nice, like prefab, probably aluminium covers from here to cover everything around nicely, especially when it's a unit, and it's a limited space. So as you can see, it's gonna be covered later around. I will show you, soon as possible anyway.